Hello all the crafters. I have made this beautiful snow globe album here, and this is the side measurement of the box and this is the measurement of the album inside. Here I'm using Dress My Craft premium cardstock here, and we'll be creating a base for the cardstock. Maintain a gap of the thickness of the chipboard so that it doesn't create any problem while folding and while we are creating our album. So make sure that we are giving a proper distance and measure it accordingly. Make the hinge here, I have taken two strips of 6 centimeter 15 by 15 centimeter to create a hinge here, and we will be covering the spine of the album here. Make the hinge sturdy and create a crease line, a proper crease line with a scale or something sturdy, so that we are creating a proper hinge and it doesn't tear out when we are folding our album. This I'm taking to cover up the remaining part of the base of the album, and we will fold from three sides so that we are creating a proper cover from all the sides of the album. I have done this. If you have a bigger cardstock, when you can cover the whole thing at once, you can do that. I only had 12 by 12 inches cardstock, so I did this step. So it will be covered, and also you won't have any problem because it will be covered with the pattern paper all over, so you won't get to know if we have done that. So now to make the outer box, we already have our chipboard that is cut into the measurement that is shared with you earlier. And to join all the chipboard pieces, we are taking cardstock pieces, which is cut into 4 by 16 centimeters, and it is folded into half so that we can create the hinges all around the box and we can join it. So we will apply it outside as well as the inside of the box to create a sturdiness in the hinges so that it doesn't tear and fall apart. I'm also covering the the front edges of the chipboard so that it gives a very neat look when it is in the front, because it will be showing to everybody. Let's now cover the inside of the box so that it will be white inside, and in this we will be keeping our album, the Christmas album that we have made. Now let's cover the outer of our box using Welcome Santa paper pad, and I have taken two papers from Welcome Santa paper pad for the top and the sides. I'm taking a plastic ball of 18 centimeters from Dress My Craft to create a snow globe now. So we will be creating a snow globe with all these snow effects here. Now I'm taking two sceneries from the Welcome Santa paper pad. One is the night scenery and one is the day scenery. So I've created both ways for a night view and a day view of a Christmas day. Now let's cover the corrugated cardboard here with our cotton to put the snow effects. Here I'm using the toothpick to give a support from the bottom so that it doesn't fall off when I'm applying all my elements. Also use toothpicks at the base of the elements so that we can pass it through our corrugated snow base that we have created, and we can give a 3D effect in the snow globe. So we will use all the elements like this. Because of the Fevicol and this cotton that we have used, it has become very difficult for the toothpick to pass through. So I have used you can use any sharp things to create a hole, and then you can pass through your toothpicks and secure it with the help of hot glue gun or hot glue from the bottom so that it doesn't fall off or go anywhere else. Using sparkling dust here to give the snow a little shimmer and shine so that it glows and shines like a real snow does. So I'm putting some snowflake mix so that there are some snowflakes we can show in the scene, and I'm putting it here and there to add some color in the snow as well as in the background. So sprinkle in some sequences. I'm using red heart sequence as well as little hearts to add a little color on the snow and to give it a sparkling effect. Covered the front of my album using 6x6 Welcome Santa cardstock. The red part I have used, and now I will be covering the inner leaflets of the album. So I'm selecting certain pages from 6x6 part 6x6 cardstock, as well as the bigger one that I have. So using the kit, I am covering all the pages. Our album, the inside album is ready now here we can decorate it from the inside as well to put different elements, and we can create a proper album for photographs and everything. I am not putting it right now because the video will become too long. So we have created a base of the album right now, and we can put each and every element, a pop-up card or anything we want, and we can decorate our ways. Use your scissors or a cutter or anything sharp to rug the sides of the cardstock to give a rugged effect on the sides. I have taken Dress My Craft vellum sheet, and after taking the measurement, I'm tearing the sides out to create a rugged effect here as well. I have made these poinsettia flowers using tropical cardstock, and I have also put in the center with the flower pearls here. And I'm not giving the tutorial over here because it would be too long, but I will share it separately for sure. Along with the snowflake mix here, I've used DMC water droplets here and there to put in a little effect as well. I have used silicone mold of DMC of hanging knot, and the other one that I have used in the front as well. I have poured some hot glue gun into the silicone molds, and I've colored it later on. So I have used the hot glue gun only to put into the molds. Base to my snow globe, I'm using a tape roll, an empty tape roll. So the bigger one didn't suit, so that is why I've used a smaller one, and I've covered it all over with the pleated ribbons here, and I've covered it twice. Glue it down to the base using silicone glue, and make sure that you leave it for at least 24 hours before you do anything else on the snow globe, otherwise it will fall off and the whole hard work will go in vain. So make sure that you are leaving it for at least 24 hours. I am using the element sheet and the transfer me sheets to decorate the sides of the box. So some of the element sheets are there, and I've also used Christmas transfer me sheets here. So our snow globe album is ready.